Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Alfia Damayanti and my student's ID number is 212122034 and I'm from class A. So here I will explain about how to do working statistic problem such as how to find mean, median, mode, variant, and range, standard deviation, and interquartile range. So let's get started. This is a example of question from statistic, and that is all the date of students English Proficiency class. Okay. This. So before we do the or we answer all the question about how to find the mean, mode, and median, and the range variance standard deviation, we must provide 6 columns here. Columns here, that is mean, mode, median, Q1, Q2, Q3, interquartile range for column that, and also the column for range, variance, and standard deviation. Alright. The first is all data. You will calculate and show them as shown on the screen in here. So we must put all the data here. All that like this. You must arrange all the tabs here. So look at them here. After we arrange all the data here in column A until here, there is 40, right? 40 data here. So for the next step is write the date to this table score, but before that, we must arrange first this. Alright. Range data, and if we want to, we'll calculate and sort them as shown on the screen like this. Look the date, the column A, and then today, and the result. Click here. Click here. Like this. So your data can be arranged. Alright, and here. So after that, we must put this to the table, but before that also, we must block that. So that is sequentially need, and you just need block all the data and click sort, and then data will be automatically arranged like as last time. And after counting, now we will enter the score data in the first table, but before that, a practical way to find out what numbers are in your date. Just click it again and click the date like this. Block and click the date, and there is here. That is, you click advanced filter. and there is two options here. You click this. After that, you can block this. Block, because there is double. You don't block from here, but from here, like this, like this. All right, Control C and put to here. Put to here. Control T. All right, have. There's data in here. We can. Oh, to find the frequency. To find frequency is like this. We can write equal in the empty column and then write countif, 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 and open the parentheses here, and then click columns. Guess that all the date is in column A, and then you write semicolon here, and the criteria is this is score. So after that, so automatically there is the result in frequency. Alright. Before we going to the next steps, we must know the amount of frequency. And like this tutorial, click equal and then click so and open the parentheses and block all the that of frequency here and enter. There is the amount of frequency is 40. And the next step is about x multiplication of. And for the how to find it, we can put in every columns equal and then x is in here, the that, and then multiplication. I can symbol with star and click the frequency. Enter. So we have all the data here. The amount of these columns, we can sum again. Equal and sum again. And we'll block the data in here. So enter. We have the amount here. 3034. And the next step is about x, and the next is that is x subtraction mean. What x is in here is the amount of the date. This is again the equal. This is okay, guys. Until this, because in the next step there is mean, we must to know how much the mean in here. The mean, how to find the mean? So easier. How to find the mean is we click in here equal and then the amount of the date and division. Division we can using slash for symbol and then click the amount of frequency. Enter. So the mean is this. Alright. So because we have mean, we can know this how to find the result of this column or to answer this column. Subtraction mean in here. So the tutorial is equal. You put or you write equal here, and then click the X score here, and then subtraction the mean here, like this, and enter. But it is still error, so you put dollar in here, like this, So this is how get. That is the result here. So if you want to know more of this, you can zoom again. So manually. So open parenthesis and all of this like this. Have like that. So the next step is how to know that this results over the tutorial, I guess. Equal, you can put equal, usually equal, and then click this. Alright, click this because this is both stars. That means multiplication. And click again this and enter. So have the result very automatically here. So the next step is how to learn the result of this column or the amount of this column. Usually we must always using equal and frequency, and then using symbol star, and this is alright, and enter. So we have the result, the amount of this in this table. Alright, so we're gonna do the next steps is how to know about how to find the mood. To find the mood is real simple because the mood is the how to find the mood. This is very easy because from it is our understanding the mood is that appears frequently, and we can see it directly from the table, and as we can see the number is from the table is most frequently is 80, right? 80. So we put manually in here like this. Okay, so easy. Alright. So the next step is how to find the median. The method is also simple to see the median of the date. We get as many as 40 days in here. Alright. And the middle of the date, and because the date is even, have this even, take two middle numbers, then divide by 2, then we will get the results in here. We will get the results. So we can put soon equal plus and so on. Right, so open parentheses, and this is enter, and after this slash 2. So the median is stay at 78. So the median of the date is 78. Alright. How to find the range? Find the range. Now searching for this range is also very easy. Yeah? And we only need to look for the higher data minus and the lowest date. And for that we can directly equal, and then the higher of the data is 96, and then subtraction this with the lowest date. This is our, so enter like this. And the range of the date is 42. And how to find the variance? To find the variance is how to find the variance. Variance is usually you put equal here and then click with the amount of, of this this date from this column, the amount from this column, and then but to know the variance is equal, usually equal, and put the amount of this data from this column and division or using slash symbol, and then frequency, subtraction, one, answer. And the variance is, that is the result of the variance. And now standard deviation. It's very easy, yeah? You can put equal and then write SQRT, alright? And open the parentheses like this and click the variance and enter, and this is standard deviation. So going to the, now how to find the quartile, how to find the interquartile range. So like this, right? The trick is the first we have to know the quartile is times quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3, as you see on the screen. And the quartile is the means middle value of the date. On the same as looking for the median, we must first find the quartile 2. That is, you can divide by 2, then we find the result like this. As we know, median is same with the quartile 2. As the middle of the date is 78. From all date, from 48, from 40 data. Here is 78. And how to know quartile 1? Quartile 1, same. How to know the middle value from the dates is quartile 1. How to know about the quartile 1? How to find it? Look again the bottom of the middle of data, the middle of date. Middle of date is from this, right? To here. Like this. Is the bottom of the middle date. This is an even value, then divide by 2 and we get the result. This is 2. Same like as the last time. Gives even, so we must divide that by 2 and we get the result. 66 in here equal 66. I mean that's so 66 here. This is alright, and here. I'm sorry. So this is this and enter, and we get this. We get this, and after that /2. All right, and we have the middle is 66. All right, and now get to know quartile 3. How to know quartile? We go back to the top of the table and find the middle is even, then divided by 2, and we get the results again. So the top is from here to here. So the middle is in here, right? Alright, so step, put equal here, and then sum, open the parentheses, and click here, the middle of the date, and then /2. I'm so sorry. This and oh my god. And for quartile 3, still same as equal, and then put the middle of the date, and then and why so, and then /2. This is the quartile 3. Alright, and how to find the interquartile range? So this is very easy, right? Because after we know that values of quartile 1, 2, and 3 is time for us to look for the interquartile range. The easy way is to click on the empty column, the right the same as quartile 3, as subtraction quartile 1, and enter and finish it. So like this, the tutorial is equal and click the quartile 3 and subtraction quartile 1 and enter, and this is the result of interquartile range. Alright, enough, finish it. Alhamdulillah, and then the next step is how to make the polygon. This is very easy. Very, very easy. To make it is you can just block the score and frequency, but don't until block score and frequency and to insert and recommended cards and click OK automatically. So there is in here like this. This is the polygon. Okay. We put in here the bottom like this. So you can see it like this. You can see it. Put in all the date, the result, like this. Okay. So very easy, right? But we must always be learned because sometimes we forget about how to formulate it. So I think enough for her screen. And then I think okay. And now we know the mean is 75, 95, and then mood is 18, median 78, and the range is 42, and the variance, standard deviation, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and interval quarter range is. The result is half there is, and the last integral is also full again in here. So make it easy like this. Always get below, and I think stop to share. Okay, thank you. Maybe that's enough for me. I'm sorry for there is some error because I'm a human. And then thank you for your attention. And sorry again for my mistake. And assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.